Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from CoinDCX to another wallet. Whether you're looking to move your crypto for security reasons, trading, or just better management, this step-by-step tutorial will have you sorted in no time. Now, remember, this is based on the latest processes as of 2025, so things might evolve, but we'll keep it simple and safe. First things first, make sure you have your CoinDCX account set up and verified. You'll also need the wallet address of the receiving wallet. Double check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Okay, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your CoinDCX account using your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets or Assets section. This is where you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Step 2. Locate your USDT balance and click on it. You'll find an option that says something like Withdraw or Transfer Out. Click that to start the process. Step 3. Enter the wallet address where you want to send your USDT. Be precise, copy and paste it to prevent errors. Then, specify the amount you want to transfer. CoinDCX might show you the network fees, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Step 4. Review everything carefully. Check the address, amount, and fees one more time. If everything looks good, hit Confirm, and follow any additional security steps, like two-factor authentication. Step 5. Once confirmed, your transfer should be processed. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the blockchain network. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from CoinDCX. A quick tip. Always use the correct network for USDT, like TRC20 or ERC20, to ensure compatibility with your receiving wallet. And never share your private keys or recovery phrases. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from CoinDCX to another wallet. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.